I'm just getting ready to go to the store, but dabbity nabbit. You know what I'm going to try? I was going to get a sledgehammer at the store to try to whack out these tiles, but before I decide to do that, I'm going to take my scraper here and I'm going to whack on this a little bit, even with this little hammer. And maybe I don't have to get a sledgehammer at the store at all. Let's just see here. Look at that. Look at that, will you? I don't even have my gloves on. What do you think about that?
It's fantastic.
You gotta make some noise when you do this. And there's a little bit of thinset material down here, and it's really not that much at all. There's a little bit right there. And I can take my hammer here and just kind of tap on it a little bit. Just a little bit at a time. And I've got the thinset down low enough. Pretty sure that's a nail right there. Because I got to float this area out anyways. Now I don't think I have to get a sledgehammer at the store, or I was also going to get a cold chisel about 3 inches long to chop out all of the thinset material, but it looks like they didn't put very much. Sometimes when you take tiles out like this, the thinset is really super thick. And then you've got to chip that out somehow. Okay? Look at that, would you? You know, stuff like this usually doesn't come out that easy. See, they've got. Oh, I think I know why. This tile looks like the thinset was attached right. Maybe the floor tile's coming up with that. Maybe they glued that right over the existing tile. I think that's what happened. Not quite sure. Good thing is, I tried this before I went to the store. Look at that. Get yourself a scraper like this bad puppy right here. I might as well finish this off. I actually didn't know if that was going to work or not. I'm glad I tried that before spending any money on any more tools. Okay? Whatever you have at your disposal, try first. You know, if you had a flat bar, crowbar, or something, you could tap that under there. Main thing is to get underneath those tiles. Not all tiles, trust me, not all tiles come up that easy. Whew, I'm all out of breath just from that. See there? This is a thinset material that was put down first, and I was lucky enough for it to come right up. All right. I still gonna have to go to the store. Okay, I'm getting ready to float out this floor. I've got to get some feather edge material at the store, and I'll show you all about that. Keep watching my videos. I'm gonna float over this entire floor, make it look like straight concrete. There's no way I'm going to start pulling up all of these tiles. This is a tile different than these tiles, okay? This is a ceramic tile. The tiles on the floor are only maybe 3/16 thick. Not very thick at all. Those are vinyl tiles. Okay, those are glued down to the floor, and I'm not about to pull all those up. There's other reasons for not pulling up that particular type of tile, and I can go into that further on another video. Okay, I think that's enough from here. Ooh, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.